Today we are proud to present our newest finishing equipment, the Briot Perception 2. Our all-in-one design includes an optical tracer based on Gravitech patented technology, a parallax-free blocker, and a versatile edger, all controlled through a 9-inch touchscreen. It is extremely easy to install and is compact and will fit just about anywhere. With an innovative and best-in-class optical system that works absolutely free of parallax, our technology delivers a perfect shape reproduction and a centering absolutely free of prismatic effects. No other manufacturer provides this level of quality and technology. Watch as we illustrate this round pattern. No matter what height and position, our optical system delivers the same size. With Gravitech, we place the demo lens on its front convex side. In this way, the demo lens balances on its gravity point, which is 100% reproducible and known. For the axis, we use our newly designed tool that will place a perfect frame axis on the rear side of the demo lens, no matter if it is small, medium, or large. The demo lens, as is, will be found automatically along with the lens side when the line is marked towards the nasal side. This reduces mistakes, especially on symmetric shapes. This measurement is independent of the base curve of the demo lens. By knowing the base curve, we will be able to reproduce the real 3D data of the demo lens. Therefore, we included the capability to measure the demo lens base curve, making Gravitech the first and only demo lens 3D tracing solution available. Now that we know the gravity point, we block on this point. Blocking in this manner produces the exact one-to-one reproduction of the shape for finishing. Despite blocking on the gravity center, we still respect all centration data to ensure proper placement of optical centers and reference points. Once in the edger, the lens is edged around the gravity center. This new system benefits users with unique features such as Gravitech patented technology for the most accurate way to trace a demo lens, Shape Creator, a market-exclusive feature that allows a user to image a frame when no demo lenses are present, a best-in-class parallax-free optical system, allowing the users to easily visualize lens engravings and more precisely block and center lenses, an automatic drill capturing system to improve the quality and processing time of drill jobs.